Hey there, learners. Want to unlock your brain's full potential and become smarter? Well, you're in luck because today we're sharing the top tips and tricks to boost your intelligence and reach your goals. 1. Developing a growth mindset. Develop a growth mindset. Believe that your abilities can be developed through hard work and dedication. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that Albert Einstein's brain was actually smaller than average? But he had a growth mindset that helped him achieve greatness. So, how can you develop a growth mindset? Start by embracing challenges, learning from failures, and seeking feedback from others. 2. Learning strategies. Use active learning strategies. Don't just read or listen passively. Engage with the material by asking questions, summarizing what you've learned, and discussing with others. Some popular learning strategies include the Pomodoro technique, spaced repetition, and mnemonics. 3. Productivity and time management. Optimize your productivity and time management. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, and project management software to stay organized and focused. Remember, productivity is not about being busy, it's about being effective. Prioritize your tasks, avoid multitasking, and take breaks to recharge. And there you have it, folks. 3 powerful tips to help you become smarter. Remember, intelligence is not fixed. It can be developed through hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more educational content. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.